Welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. And in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we're going to unbox the Incipio Dual Pro Case for the iPhone 6.5, or also known as iPhone XS Max, released in 2018. So I got this from Amazon. Today we're going to unbox this thing and check this out. But before we do, let's take a look around the box. So here it is. Here's the Incipio Dual Pro Dual Layer Protection. This is designed for the iPhone 6.5 2018 edition, or also known as the iPhone XS Max. Here, this says it protects up to 10 feet of drop protection. Here's the iPhone case itself. And let's take a look on the side of the box. Here you have Incipio branding on both sides of the box. Pretty simple presentation. Here's the barcode when I look this up online, particular product online. And here's the back side of the box. The back side of the box talks about the case, Incipio Dual Pro Dual Layer Protection. This has 2 layers of protection. This has a durable outer shell. This has a shock absorbing inner core. It has a wraparound coverage, and this is wireless charging compatible. So this comes with a 1-year warranty, as you can see there. Let's go back to the front of the box and let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is pull it out of the box case, put that to the side, and let's take the case out of its own case. So here it is. Let's clean it up. And here's the iPhone XS Max case by Incipio. Here's a message. Thank you for your Incipio purchase. Talks about 1-year guaranteed protection covered by the warranty. And you can visit their website down below, and you can follow them on social media. And let's pull this message out of the case. Here's the back side. Nothing else. And this is a 2-part case. Here's the inside of the case. It has a soft touch feel on the inside, so it doesn't scratch up on your glass iPhone. We have Incipio branding on the inside. Here's a cutout for your camera, cutouts for your speakers. And here's the back side of the Incipio dual layer case. More Incipio branding, minimal branding, and this is a hard shell plastic, but it has a soft touch finish to it. On the inner shell, this is more of a TPU product, so it's separate the 2 cases to emphasize of what I'm trying to here. So here's the hard shell, and here's the TPU layer, the rubber shell, or the super soft shell. So this is a 2-part case, like I said, and here's the outer part. Hard shell plastic, but it has a soft finish to it, as you can see there. And here's the TPU, which is super flexible. And we're going to take out our iPhone and see how well this fits. So here's the iPhone XS Max, released in 2018. Such a beautiful phone. Gotta admire its design from Apple. So let's go ahead and see how this fits. So installing the case is super easy. All you have to do is just push it into the TPU material, the inner core, and just install the outer core for full protection. And it should snap in. And yeah. So here's the iPhone XS Max installed in the Incipio dual layer case. Here you have Incipio branding. Here's a cutout for your camera. Here's what the cutout looks like. Minimal exposure to the back side of the phone, except for the camera. The top and bottom are TPU, while the rest of the outer shell is hard plastic, and yeah. So the power button and navigating through the iPhone, there's no problem at all. The volume buttons seem to work without a hitch. Here you can access the control thing. Here's the power button, and here's the switch, the control switch. And you see there. Here's the top and bottom side, and here's the cutout for the bottom side, which has your speakers and your lightning port. And that's about it. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this case. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll see you on the next one.